Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Main Event, B-Dub, coming to you to let you know that this Saturday night will be one of the biggest episodes of the best damn show in radio in history. Yes, I am promoting my big brother, Mike Knox. Best damn show in radio in which he will feature the wrestling realm, the barbershop, the BWO. Everybody's going to come together as we discuss this very Blu-ray right here, ladies and gentlemen. Shawn Michaels and Bret Hart, WWE's greatest rivalries. Now, as you know, long time ago in the show before, Mr. Main Event B-Dub discussed his reasons why he felt that Bret Hart was better than Shawn Michaels, why he always was a fan of Bret Hart. Well, on this show, we are going to be mediated by the one, the only, the man they call Wise Shabazz, as we will have a true roundtable discussion as to why we have our feelings the way that we do after watching this great presentation that the WWE has put together for us, ladies and gentlemen. So, we are inviting to be a part of this. That is, get on your phones, dial 347-637-3859. Or log on to your laptops, your iPads, your smartphones. Log into the best damn show in radio by simply going to blogtalkradio.com/thegamev1, ladies and gentlemen. And make sure you follow us and tweet us during the show. When you tweet, make sure you put the hashtag, put the best damn show in radio. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is Team We Taking Over, and I promise you one thing, that this will be one of the best shows you've ever listened to. Never has this been done before. Everybody has their opinion on the Montreal Screwjob, or perhaps the WrestleMania 12 Iron Man match, but never has it been mediated in this great setting, ladies and gentlemen. So I promise you, this will be a show that you will not want to miss. And in case you haven't heard Mike Knox show, log on to iTunes and type in the best damn show in radio and download some of his previous shows. So when you're out there working out on the gym, you're going to school, you're on your way to work, simply get on iTunes, put it on your iPods, your smartphones. Listen to some shows where he's featured: Rikishi, Shad Gaspar, Michael Tarver, Maya, yes, I said it, Maya, Tracy Murray, Kenny Anderson. The list goes on and on. The stars have come in. The stars will be a part of this one, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to tell you this will be the best damn show ever on the best damn radio.